Yes, I.
So you know, so we're there with Andrew Bassie. We're going to talk about Courtney Elihu Morris album,
Yeah.
Broken Silence,
Yeah.
which basically means the man are going to show him works. You know, him not about to be quiet again. Him going to break the silence.
Yeah.
Him going to make
Yes,
him voice be heard
Yeah, man.
to this album. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, to the many selections on the album. It's just a testament of his great
Right.
body of work which he put together in this album.
Yes, I.
Yeah, 17 songs.
Yeah, man.
Because nowadays, you know, people have EP and, you know,
Yeah.
when you have an album, it's a great body of work. And
Yeah, man. Catalog, you know.
it is an honor to even meet the musician that was instrumental in
Yeah.
in putting this great body of work together.
Yes, I.
Andrew Bassie.
Campbell.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Andrew Bassie Campbell.
Yeah,
But
man.
in the streets, you know, he has
And
Andrew Bassie. I always say, Bassie! Because you can't name Bassie and say Bassie. You have to
Yeah.
say Bassie.
yeah, man.
Because you know, bass.
Yeah,
bass,
real
alright.
talk, man. Real talk.
I am Music Field, and Yardstyle presents Elihu Morris album Broken Silence.
Stand up, stop standing. Stand da 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 da. Have you ever been on the darker side of life?
And right here, we're on Yardstyle with one of the musicians, the executive producer that work on this great body of work. It's called Broken Silence. After we hear Broken Silence and Andrew Bassie, we know it's all about a musical expression of his talents
Yes,
through
sir.
music. So it's an expression. And
Yeah,
it's,
man.
it's a body of work. And each track basically identify the artist and what he's trying to say. Not even say trying to say, what he's saying.
Yeah.
And we're not trying to say.
The message where I bring
The
out,
message
you know?
that he's bringing across.
Yes, I.
Yeah, so the album has 17 tracks.
Yes,
and
sir.
it's great to see albums being out again and they have more tracks on it. You understand? Because some people, well, it depends
Yeah.
upon the vibration and the production. So the album is called Broken Silence and it's by Elihu Morris and Andrew Bassie. Boy, I'm have to shake
Yeah.
hand again, a great body of work.
Yeah, man.
See, it has 17 tracks and I can identify a few. Well, one of my favorites on it is like the Any Little Man.
Yeah.
Which-
Energy Command. Yeah.
Listen, this
Nice
song basically just one of the songs that solidified the album. I love the arrangement, the guitar,
Yeah.
Any Little Man, and you have a riff in the guitar.
Yeah.
Yo, that, and when me hear it,
Yeah, man. True.
it give me an 80s feel.
Have you ever been on the darker side of life, where things are so low? Only Jah knows, 'cause the living gets so high. Not only the poor but the rich them a cry. They're so miserable with everyday life. Why, boy? Said any little man could do something, try a little thing, just to achieve some food to eat. I say any little man could do something, try a little thing.
You see, whosoever came up with the idea for put that guitar riff in it, no,
Yeah.
the man forget that Grammy recognition because you don't really get that again.
Yeah.
You understand me? That little riff, it make the song
Yeah.
stand out.
Yeah, man.
You understand me?
Franklin Wild Bubble and play the
Oh my God,
Keyboard.
big up Frank.
guitar style.
Yeah, man. And you know them man, they are legend of the business.
Yeah,
from
man.
Them time the thing now.
Genius, you know?
Yeah, man. So, in doing this song, how did the artist get the perception to say why? The name of the song, how me ever call it? Listen, if I listen it, I'm here Any Little Man, it's like it build for the song specifically.
Yeah.
Any Little Man.
Yeah, man.
anytime,
Definitely.
yeah.
Definitely. Yeah, man. So we have a demo.
Mhm.
You know, earlier on we have a demo,
Mhm.
and it's like we there work on Oyo Coaster. We have to do Oyo Coaster production and thing, you know, promote Oyo Coaster and thing. That are the song before Any Little Man.
Yeah.
And it's like, you know, my wife, tell him say, hear my vibe the song and tell him say, that is the song you should do something with now, you know. And right away him said that, you know, I just with them now, and he said, yo, we can go in the studio go make this happen. And think while we are working on How You Cool son.
No, but I saw it going on. You start work on a song and you have to stop for work on a one day.
That is so true.
That one day probably the calling.
Yeah.
At the time.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So I saw, you know, everybody have vibes it and thing, and that's how we get to go in the studio. We have some part of the demo part already. They've done some of the instrumental demo. I would just pep it up with the drummer.
Yeah.
The drummer will play upon that tracks there is Ellis. Ellis from Chronix band. He used to play.
He used to play in a Chronix.
Yeah. Ellis used to play jump for you, you know, with Chronix. So we got a tough gang and slap the jump on that, you know. And overdub the drummer. Then we go Courtney, you know, Courtney have a studio in Half a Tree there.
Yeah.
And we go by him and start the overdub and Bubbler come in and create, yeah man, and start overdub and thing, do the vocal and I history, you know, I that you know. Yeah.
Andrew Bassie add theme flavor to it.
Yeah man, I play the bass and everything for it.
Yeah,
I produce it, I'm the producer for the tracks, you know.
Yo, me have to say that song, yeah? You know, so some of the time, I can just listen to that song and get a little vibration and say, yeah, it have that little 80s, 90s feel with the new thing, and that is what's missing from the music.
Yeah, and it shows say, no care what any little man, you can do something, make something happen, you know.
Yeah.
You know, see.
This is saying don't limit yourself. Don't watch the next man. Anybody can be where they want to be. You understand?
Yeah.
Just like what music you there, so
yes, I.
man.
Yeah, man. See, and we like what we are doing, man. Like what we are always doing, you know.
All right, moving along, we have a song called On Your Side of Town.
Yeah.
It's when me hear that song, yeah?
Yeah.
Me I think say, but I live up here, so I have a next part over town. I'm going to make a link over that side of town, but when I say over that side of town, they start to gritty.
Yeah.
But me still want to make the link, I remember say, on your side of town. You know,
man. Yeah, man.
Well, every time I listen to the song, I say, boy, that song really depict women that go through back in the days in the car.
Yeah.
Remember say we live one part, so we live 7. So we're in Kingston 20 years. So.
Yeah.
You understand me? And you saw that people go on different parts over there. So not really 100 like we. But we still have to go there. We go there pretty, but you want some of them over there, so the vibration there, our friends, our family. And you know, two want say, you know, I go over there, so but when we hear the song, when we hear the song about On Your Side of Town, I said, John, you know, so I can relate to that song. What it said?
Yeah, man, that's true, man.
Yeah.
And the song come about, you know. During the
COVID? The name should I call it name? During that, the illusion.
Yeah,
that's edit on that part.
During
the illusion, the great illusion.
Yeah.
Because every 100 years we have an illusion.
Yeah.
And we have some little one more time.
Yeah,
but
man.
that was the big one.
Man. You lick the nail on it.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Watch your lick. It.
Alright.
Yeah. So we didn't understand it. And when we did pre that unit, we went in the illusion. Because when we live, the party there would have go on my side.
True.
When the party them did go on, upon that side of the town there.
Yeah.
Because me get caught up in it. Because when I go over that side of the town there. And then Babylon and forward.
Yeah.
And I say, what me I do over here, Saka?
Yeah, man.
To this date, me look back.
Yeah.
And me give thanks to no sir. Me never get caught.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So that's how it go.
Yeah, man. So
anything you say on that side of town, me know it always be the bad part.
Yeah.
You never hear say on that side of town it good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's how it go.
So when me that reach out, you know, the inspiration of the song that reach out to. Well, not. The good just still enough. Alright, still enough. I wonder if Elihu good over this. I wonder if him alright. I wonder if Sharon alright, or Patrice, or whatever family or relative or father or grandfather, you know. So that energy it really that come off still and thing, you know. So it is a big deal, you know. You know, see, so greatness come out of the illusion and the vibes, you know. Greatness still come out of that, you know.
Yeah, man. Whole heap of things come out of that.
Yeah,
Good and bad.
Good and bad, you know.
Anybody survive that illusion, them can survive anything that is thrown at us, whether directly or indirectly. So what is it like growing up in the early days of Courtney Morrison?
You know, music at an early age was my thing, so it give me a sense of purpose from long time, just paying attention to music until me realize say me want that to be my job. Me want to reach out to people and make a difference in their life.
True music.
True music at an early age.
So who inspired you? Who were people you were listening to start to say, this is what I want to do, and these people are giving me the inspiration to say, I want to do reggae, I want to sing, I want to send out a message.
Whole heap of artists put them mark on my inspiration. Delroy Wilson, may God rest him soul.
I tell you.
Nicky Thomas.
Yeah, Nicky Thomas.
Ken Boat, Alton Ellis.
Okay.
And you know, can go on and on. Carl Dawkins.
You mentioned the greats.
Yeah.
So me see where your style of singing and your writing and how you express yourself, I can see where it come from. So I can understand your music.
Yeah, true.
And how you put it together.
True.
All right, what was your first recording? Because I know this I go way back, you know. But more time I like go back for those in the memory and say, boy, I want to hear him first and hear how him get it or how him do it.
You know, say, the first recording me ever do is a song named Tuja. And is a friend of mine who was a pursue artistry way before me. And we used to rehearse together, me and Rod Taylor.
Yeah.
And over time, him decided to carry me to a producer.
Yeah. The song named Tuja, remember with the Yardstyle Live, you know, you have to sing piece of the song, you know.
Yeah.
All right. Tuja.
Well, I so long, but me go sing when I can't remember.
No, that is it.
Say, Tuja, he will I give praises to. Oh, Jah, 'cause when I am down and out, he was the one who helped me out. And when there is no one around, he never let me down. Tuja.
And you have a unique voice. Yeah, you know, you have a voice.
A long time, you know, so nobody never even asked me, no. So the first time I ever speak of it. You know?
Man, you have a unique voice, a standard, you have a voice. When you sing, it's like, you know, so the message are going to reach a part, it's going to deliver. Tuja.
True.
Because some people say that just stay as a voice. When you say it,
true,
it goes further.
Out there.
You know?
Yeah.
That Willy did do, what other day. Birds falling from the sky. People just a drop like flies. Relatives and loved ones just a die. With no one to give a reason why. Public enemy number one. Terrorizing, killing the nation. While divide the world in division. Divide by race, sex and religion. They plan to keep some, then eliminate some. Just to take control of the population. Lord, oh, turmoil, pandemic turmoil. Da do, turmoil, economic turmoil, injustice turmoil, inequality.
And so Boston end up.
Yeah, man. And as me said, Boston is a different culture, different place where.
No, man. Once you reach Boston, man, it's like it a wait for me.
That wait for you. It doesn't come with the open arms.
Real talk.
So when you reach Boston, how did you connect? It's like with being like an artist producing.
Okay. When we reach Boston now, I meet this girl. It was Jetstar, this company where they're England.
Yeah, man. Jetstar.
Jetstar data.
Yeah. Wow.
She used to work with me down here.
Down here.
She used to get me up on Excelsior concert and all these high school concerts. So me just end up, she hear something there about and we meet and from
the link make.
Yeah, the link make, and from the link make, I start open for all of the artists that
like
come
who
up. Gregory Isaac, Big Youth.
Wow.
Everybody who I grew up with, what was my mentor.
You see them?
Me end up open for them.
All right, let me ask, what was it like to see like the Gregory Isaacs and all of those people and I open for them? What was that feeling when you know on stage and see them? Because me not really experience much of them, like, but me would like to know from an artist perspective, what was it like on stage and you're open for a Gregory or, you understand me?
The only difference it was a international settings, but me used to do it from I was here before.
No, listen, I'm going to correct you now. You were preparing from Jamaica for that moment. So we have to correct that, you know.
No, me never prepare for that.
No, listen.
My godmother that prepare for
All right.
that.
But you talk on the music thing,
Yeah,
but you
yeah.
say you go up and see that stage, eh?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
At Jamaica, you get the rehearsal, man.
Oh, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
man.
definitely. Prepare me.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Well, it was a wonderful thing, you know, because when we there Jamaica, it come like it was only apprentice. But that settings now make it say it a happen now.
Yeah. And you're seeing what's happening over that side.
Yeah, and also me involved. You know.
So where it feel, me just ask again, where it feel like to work with them greats then? 'Cause that build up your resume. You know?
It good. It carry more mileage. It give me more mileage, man.
So were these,
Open many doors.
so these artists, were they, how did they embrace you?
Yes, man. Yeah, because they know me from Jamaica.
Okay.
You know, I'm a mentor them when I used to them at Randy's, North Parade.
Yeah, that are downtown.
I used to leave school instead of go to school, and this was my school. You know what I mean? Because I never have lunch money for go to school. So I said, boy, I'm not going to waste some time. I wear uniform and dress up in a Clarks and go to school. And I want bench. I want to go whisper these things is so I can learn more.
Yeah, man.
So that's
You got the music school, yeah?
yeah, we got the music school. See now you a word I say. Never meant to make you cry. Oh no. Never ever tell you no lies. See watch out. Couldn't even if I tried. I see the reason when I look into
Yeah, man, so who are some of the musicians that worked on My Woman? Like apart, we have
Alright,
Andrew
so-
Bassie.
Yeah, man, play on some of them. Play on them at the Bassie. Drummer, Alric,
Yeah.
Ricardo,
Yeah.
Ricardo, the drummer. You know, see, one of the drummer who work with us. You know.
Yeah.
And Bubbler, Franklin Wall Bubbler, play keyboard.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And what about backing vocals? Like, you know who did the backing vocals?
Alright, so me and Apache, one of my brethren named Apache. We call him Apache, you know? Yeah.
Make the vocals them sound so sweet?
Yeah, man, him great, man. Him, you know, great musician too, great
Okay.
youth, you know? You know, see, so him they do, me and him do the harmony.
Yeah, and
But him more lead the harmony, but me and him do some of the harmony.
never know say you don't have.
Yeah, man, we do some things too, man. You know, see, play the shake, all of the shaker them and all the percussion and everything, and we play all tracks.
So this was done at how many studios? Like how many studios we did?
Alright, them tracks that we're talking about.
I know you mentioned
Tough
Gun.
Gun, yeah.
And
Just
what's-
one I sang them did. One song they do at Tough Gun, but the rest of the song them do at Courtney, Pure Fame Recording Studio. Courtney, you know?
Yeah.
His name Courtney.
Where it's located?
Arbitrary.
Okay.
Yeah, by System, where the upstairs.
System Innovation.
Yeah,
upstairs, under the plaza.
Another plaza there studio.
Okay. And the others, what about the other studio?
The other studio, Architect Recording Studio, down at Voltage, that across.
Crossroads, right?
Yeah.
Slipe Road,
So all 3/4 of the vocal them, all of the vocal them you have to say do by most of the vocal them. 3/4 of the vocal them, in Franklin. Do Architect Recording Studio. And the harmonies and thing, and some of them do. Dalton, Enely Command, Dalton did play guitar and that, you know, play guitar and carry the harmony.
Okay.
And
So
that,
there's a
Dalton.
great body of musicians.
Yeah,
for this.
man.
And the thing about it, and when you have an album being worked on different studios and you get everything on one quality, that's great because
Yeah, man.
each studio
Yeah,
have a different output. as
Yeah.
to say. So forget it balance. Boy, I mean, I know the engineer did a great job.
Yeah, man.
It's Elihu that really did do da do what da day. Birds falling from the sky, people just a drop like flies. Relatives and loved ones just a die with no one to give a reason why. Public enemy number one, terrorizing, killing the nation. While divide the world in division, divide by race, sex and religion. They plan to keep some, then eliminate some, just to take control of the population. Lord, oh, turmoil, pandemic turmoil. La do da do da do, turmoil. economical turmoil, injustice turmoil, inequality turmoil, racism turmoil, the financial turmoil.
Bad.